Rang Sirwa, and today is Pani Sirwa. Pani Sirwa today is Pani Sirwa water and rain and water vijay. This is water and rain. Water performing Rajbanshi cultural water. This water vijaying and cultural Rajbanshi dancing program. Anything, everybody, girls and goody. This mixing today is very good. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Rajbanshi cultural.
Reporter coming.
There is a reporter. And Kantipur Madhuri and mobile and very good and interview. Wow! What thing? Water. This very cooled and this water cooled. Rajbanshi cultural water 1 Gate Baishak and water cooled and anytime cool. Man, anytime cool. No tension. Every year cool. This is no tension, no gir. Okay, no problem and very good. Very excited and today is very nice. All the best.